Hey y'all, real quick. The girl's about to hit the sack. And I like to use my lock sock to lock my hair in place while I in bed. Before I do that though, I can't find my leave-in. Before I do that, I think it's downstairs too. Give me a minute. I am back. So what I'll do is I'm getting ready for bed is I will hydrate my hair. I'm just gonna pull it back. Okay. Take my I'll do my oil last. The next thing I do is y'all see this gel. It's right here. I don't sleep with that on at all. I'm one of those that I like my baby hairs. So to you. But this right here, I don't keep it on. I take it off. And I use my micellar water. So I will put my micellar water inside of my little bottle that I got from Amazon. And I don't think I need any more. So and when I get off of here, I'm gonna do my whole face. This does not stay on your hair. Oh, good. And then I'll take my disposable facial towel. It's 2026. Everyone should have a disposable facial towel. Shouldn't no one be using rags on their face? Yeah. It's too cheap for y'all to be reusing rags on your face. That's bacteria. So I will wet my facial towel and I will take this off my edges. So if you got like nieces that like to do what I do to my edges and put gel on it, you don't want no buildup, and you want to keep those edges real easy. Really, really easy. And then apply my leave-in on my edges. Rub it in there. And now, here comes the oil. Shake my oil up. Oh, Lord. I gotta see. And put it on my edges. Not too much. Not too much. Because y'all be overdoing it with the oil. Y'all don't have to. Okay? Not too much. Okay. Just trying to get this down to about 3 minutes. But it is what it is. Tuck these bad boys away. Do it again on my hand. Emulsify it. And that's it. And well, before I go all the way to bed, like before I hit the sack, I'll just bring this down to cover it. I I'm not going to do like a whole make it nice and tight thing. No, it's just a little, just to tuck it away, keep it away. And boom, that is it. I'm ready for sleep. I don't use a whole bonnet. Like I told y'all, I'm in menopause. So all of my pillows have satin cases on them. So that is it. That is all. I hope this helps a little bit. And in the morning, I'm going to show y'all how I put everything back in place. Okay? Have a good night. Bye.